Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing, a flexible, low-cost way to earn income online by promoting products you love. Whether you're a blogger, social media enthusiast, or simply looking to monetize your online presence, affiliate marketing offers a path to turn your passion into profit. What is affiliate marketing? At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based model where you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. You share unique referral links provided by the brand or platform, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you get paid. No need to create your own product, handle inventory, or manage customer service. Why it's a great opportunity for beginners. 1. Low startup costs. You can begin with minimal investment, just a platform to share content, a blog, Instagram, YouTube, or even email newsletters. 2. Passive income potential. While upfront effort is required, well-performing content can generate earnings over time. 3. Flexibility. Work from anywhere. Choose products aligned with your interests and scale at your own pace. Step-by-step process to begin affiliate marketing business. 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a topic you're passionate about, for example, fitness, tech, fashion, etc., where you can build trust with your audience. 2. Choose and join affiliate programs. Start with beginner-friendly networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Rakuten, or partner directly with brands. 3. Build a platform. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page. Educate, entertain, or solve problems for your audience while naturally integrating affiliate links. 4. Drive traffic. Use SEO, social media, and email marketing to attract visitors. 5. Convert visitors into sales. Write engaging content, add CTAs, and build trust with reviews. 6. Build trust. Authenticity is key. Only promote products you believe in. Affiliate marketing rewards patience, strategy, and consistency. By aligning with the right products and nurturing your audience, you can turn referrals into a meaningful income stream. Ready to dive in? Your journey starts with that first step by choosing your niche and taking action. Start your affiliate marketing journey now.